When you create a website for a client, the client might have a website already running on their main domain. In such situations, we are compelled to create a new website on a subdomain. So to deliver such a website on the main domain, we need to know something called the website migration or website cloning. There can be another situation wherein the website has to be migrated from one hosting provider to another hosting provider on two separate domains. So in this video, we will learn two simple techniques by which we can migrate a website from one domain to another domain. Hi, this is Prakash from theskillville.com, and here we learn easy step-by-step WordPress web designing without coding. So in this video, we are learning about website migration and website cloning. So let me first show you the website that we would like to migrate from this domain to another domain. So this is one of the website which I had created for my client, and I want to deliver this website to another domain for the client. So in the first scenario, we will see how we can migrate a website from one domain to another domain, and the domains are hosted onto two different hosting providers. So in this first example, we'll be making use of a plugin, and for installing the plugin, let me log into my WordPress dashboard. So let us hover over to the plugins and go to add new. And the name of the plugin is all-in-one WP migration. So this is one of the important plugins, and you will find many of the hosting providers will provide this plugin as a default plugin when you install WordPress on the website. So let us install this plugin and activate it. So once you activate the plugin, you will see a tab on the left side of the WordPress dashboard. So here you have an option to export the website, and if you click on export, you'll be taken to the next screen. So here you can export the website file into different formats, and I will select the export to file option. So now it is preparing to export the website. So now it says done exporting the database, and now we have the file ready to download. So if we simply click on the download button, now it will start downloading the file for this website. So let me click on the download button. And as you see, the download has just started. But if you have noticed, this file is a very big file, and it is going to take some time to download it completely. So I will fast forward this video and come back once the download is completed. So now we have downloaded the file, and this is the file that we have, and I had to cancel one of the downloads earlier. So let us now move on to the domain where we'll be placing this website. So I have another domain, and the domain is old.rajmotors.co.nz, and we'll be migrating the website to this new domain. So this is a very fresh WordPress installation, and on this website I have only two plugins, and I will remove these as well. So that none of the plugins are now present on this website. So if we look at the website now, you'll see that this is a very fresh WordPress installation. So let us now go to the plugins and say add new. So we will add the same plugin here, all in one WP migration plugin. So let us install and activate the plugin. So if we now click on import, you will see that the file import can be done here, and we can select from here which type of file we will be importing here. But if you look at this, the maximum upload file size has been specified to 512 MB. So this limit is lower than the file that we have downloaded. And if you remember, it was 5 gigabytes. So to overcome this, if you click on the Get Unlimited button, you will be redirected to import wp-migration.com website. And here, if you check the details now, it has unlimited backup size, and you can also restore the backup from the server. So if you check the price here, it is around $69. But with this extension, you'll be able to upload the file of unlimited size. So I have already purchased this extension. And remember, if the file size for the downloaded website file is less than 512 MB, you need not have this extension. So I will just go to plugins and say add new. And I will upload the extension here. And I will activate the plugin. So now we have the all-in-one WP migration and the all-in-one WP migration unlimited extension. Now if we go to the import section, you will see that the maximum upload file size is now been updated to unlimited. So let us now select the link and go to File. And here is the downloaded file that we have for the main website. So let us say open. And now it will start importing the file and the content of it. So it has started, and since it's a large file, it is going to take time. So I will pause this video here and meet you after the upload is completed. We have just finished uploading the file, and now it is completing the steps to have the website up and running on the new website. So let us wait for some more time. So it is cautioning me that the import process will overwrite your website, including the database, media, plugins, themes, and it is asking me to back up the data, if any, on the existing website. So I don't want to back up the website because it is anyway a fresh WordPress installation. So I will just say proceed, and it is now restoring 41,292 files. So it is definitely going to take some time. So let me fast forward this step. So now it is completing the file restoration. Restoring the database. And now it says your site has been imported successfully. It is asking us to save the permalink structure and optionally review the plugins. So let us finish this step. Now if we go to plugins, it is asking to update the WordPress database. So let us update this. And now it says your WordPress database has been successfully updated. So let us continue. So now it will ask you to log in because the WordPress database has been updated. So remember, you need to use the login credentials for the original website from which we have migrated the website to the new domain. So here I will input the credentials which are for the original website. So we have migrated the website to the new domain and we have just logged into the WordPress. And here the Jetpack notification says that Jetpack has been placed into safe mode because we have noticed this is an exact copy of the original website. So this is an indication that we have successfully migrated the website to the new domain. So we can check out the plugins and the other things which are from the original website. So let us check out how the website is looking now. It should be an exact copy of the original website. So I have opened the website onto a new tab. And here it is. So let us check out the details and you will find that this website is an exact copy of the original website. So let me open the original website also. So this is the original website which we have cloned onto a second domain. So you can check the details and it is an exact copy. So I can just go to any of the pages here. I will check one of the pages and the same page. So it has copied the website exactly. And remember that this process will also copy the orders, post, and any other things which are on your original website. So this method is particularly useful if two of your domains are on different hostings. But if you have a situation where the new and the old domain are on the same hosting, we need not get into this kind of a tedious process. The process is very simple if you have both the domains on the same hosting. So to learn this, let us get onto the hosting of my website and I will close this window and meet you on the other side of the video. So now I am on my cPanel and if I scroll down, I will find the SoftwareClose app installer and below that there are scripts. So I will click on the WordPress. And if I scroll down here, I will find all my websites or the domains on which I have installed WordPress. So here we are discussing a scenario where I have created a new website on a subdomain and I will be transferring it to the main domain. So here is the domain on which I have created my website. So let me show you the new website. So this is our website which we have created on a new domain and we will be migrating this to the main domain. So here you will not find the main domain because I haven't installed WordPress on that domain. So if I check the main domain, you will see that there is nothing present on that particular domain. So this is our main domain and we'll be migrating this subdomain website to the main domain. So let us see how we can achieve this. And this can be achieved with a very simple process. So on the new website that we have created on the subdomain, we need to find the clone tab. So if I just click on this tab now, it will take me to the next screen and here it says cloning WordPress. So the first section is for clone installation details. Here I need to choose or select the installation URL. So I want to migrate my subdomain website to the main domain. So the main domain is already selected here. I can check from the drop down how many domains or subdomains I have on which I can clone this website. So it has been correctly selected. So I will keep this domain as the main domain on which I want to migrate my website. So here I need not do anything because I had installed the SSL certificate on the main domain. In the directory, I need not do anything. I have to keep it as blank. Here in the second section, it says site settings and we need not do anything there. We just need to read out the info and it suggests the URL is the subdomain on which we have created our website. And we will clone the website from this subdomain to the URL of the main domain. So let me scroll down and say clone installation. And now the cloning process has started. So it suggests this may take 3 to 4 minutes and we need not close this window before the cloning completes. And here it is. So it says, congratulations, the installation was cloned successfully. So we have successfully cloned the website from the subdomain to the main domain. So let us visit our website on a new tab. And here it is. We have cloned the website successfully onto our main domain. So if we compare the subdomain website and the main domain website, you'll see that we have exactly the same website on the subdomain as well as on the main domain. We can also check the other pages. On the subdomain, and this is the about page on the main domain. So this is how you can deliver the website to your client. And remember, if you have created the new website on the subdomain on the same hosting, you need not use any of the migration plugins. And from the cPanel, you can simply clone the subdomain website to the main domain. But if you have a situation wherein two of your websites are located on different hostings, you need to make use of the all-in-one WP migration plugin. And if the website size is more than 128 megabytes, you need to use the extension for the all-in-one WP migration plugin. I hope the techniques discussed in the video will be helpful for you to learn how to migrate or clone the website to another domain. And it will be easy for you now to deliver the websites to your client. I keep making videos for learning WordPress. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much and take care.